Hello everyone, I'm Pragati Sureka and today I'm going to talk to you about simple ways in which you can become mentally stronger. Strength is something which is possible for each one of us. Yes, regardless of age, gender, and life situations, strength is something that can be built bit by bit on a regular basis. So, how can you actually develop your emotional strength? The first way in which you can develop strength is do one tough thing daily. Now, what is a tough thing that you could do? I always like to make my videos in a nice quiet zone where there is no disturbance. For me to come outdoors and make a video in a public park is something which was very tough for me to do. So what did I do? I just came by, drove down here and sat down and started making a video. My mic is attached, there may be people crossing, but hey, it's nice. I can hear the birds twittering and I can see the background which is beautiful. And at the same time, I'm doing something which was very tough for me. That is, be in the public eye in a way where people will turn around and look at me. So, challenge yourself. Do something that you feel is very tough for you. The next way in which we can be mentally strong is give up one bad habit. Is it that you procrastinate? When there is a deadline, do you tell yourself, oh, I'll do it tomorrow? What is the hurry? There is so much of time available to me. Is it that what you tell yourself? If you do that, you are not alone. But where you will be different from others is you realize that your procrastination is causing you difficulties and making you stressed out. So you may decide that the way I tackle my own procrastination is make a list and something that I want to delay till tomorrow, I am going to do today, irrespective of my disinclination to do so. The third way in which you can be mentally stronger is absolutely take 15 minutes out to self-reflect. Sit by yourself. Find a serene, soothing corner where you are unlikely to be disturbed. The world may go on about its business, but how does that matter to you? Because you are going to be focused on your own development and growth, right? The next way to develop mental fitness is do some form of regular exercise. Exercise releases endorphins and helps us achieve mind-body integration because our body always gives us clues. If we are lethargic, if our posture is not right, we are bound to feel mentally debilitated. So, to become stronger, exercise on a daily basis. Exercise which strengthens your mind-body integration yet does not make you feel as though life is very difficult. So, the right dose of exercise which is suitable for you is what is required to actually go mentally stronger. Sometimes people set impossible targets for themselves. If they've never exercised, deciding to run a full marathon in 6 months may not be possible. I am not discounting anyone's verve or spirit to do so, but what I recommend is realistic goals, step by step. Start with walking for 45 minutes to 1 hour regularly for a month. Increase that to a couple of hours and do some strength training and stretching. If you manage to sustain it for a few months, then go ahead and keep a slightly more difficult target at hand. Most of us tend to be very uneasy in our body. So the next way to grow mentally stronger is have a positive body image. Love your body for what it is and then lovingly nurture it and take care of it. If that requires you to give up some bad habits, tweak your nutrition, or take up some form of exercise, go ahead. But don't reject it with negative self talk. Positive self talk is definitely a way in which we make ourselves mentally stronger. I am good. I am open to all the good that the universe offers me. I am powerful. I am learning and I am grateful. So, when we are in that mode of positive self talk, we move beyond our limitations and go into a zone of possibilities. So, I hope these tips have helped you get mentally stronger. Take care and have a great day.